Hey guys, running a startup is hard, but it won't become any easier if you skip this video.
Let's do it.
Selecting the optimal business checking account is a critical decision that can significantly impact the financial stability and growth trajectory of startups. With a multitude of options available, it's essential for entrepreneurs to consider a range of criteria to make an informed choice. No one loves going to the bank and filling out a lot of paperwork. Is there an easy way for startups to get a checking account faster? What are the criteria to consider? First and foremost, transaction limits and fees play a pivotal limit in selecting the right account. Startups often require frequent transactions, and an account with reasonable for unlimited transactions can save both time and money. Likewise, evaluating monthly maintenance fees, overdraft charges, and minimum balance requirements is essential to avoid unnecessary financial strain. Modern startups thrive on digital solutions, making online banking features another critical element. A business checking account should offer a user-friendly mobile app and online platform, enabling convenient access to account balances, transaction history, and bill pay services. This digital edge streamlines financial management, a boom for time-strapped entrepreneurs. Furthermore, integration for accounting software is a game changer for startups. A compatible account can simplify bookkeeping and financial tracking, allowing startups to focus on core operations rather than administrative tasks. Lastly, personalized support and value-added services are worth assessing. Some banks offer dedicated supports for startups, along with perks such as discounts on business tools, free checks, and even reward programs. Now that we're done with that, let's get down to the main business of the day. Here are our top 5 options and choices and rankings for the best banking account that you as entrepreneur and startup owner should check out. Number 5 on the list: the Bank of America Business Advantage Relationship Banking. If you're dealing with monthly cash deposits of up to $20,000, the Bank of America Business Advantage Relationship Banking is the smartest choice you can make. What do you stand to gain? Well, this account allows you cash deposits up to $20,000 in cash every month without any fees. That's not all. You also enjoy fee-free electronic transactions like ACH, debit card transaction, and electronic debits, and even online with ATM deposits. And guess what? There's more. What are the 2 best features of this bank account? Rewards. Bank of America knows that loyalty deserves rewards. With the Business Advantage Relationship Banking, you get access to a range of benefits and discounts based on your relationship with the bank. The more you grow, the more you save on various bank services and fees. Also, they have great cash flow management tools. Bank of America understands that managing cash flow is a top priority for businesses. As an account owner, you'll get access to some really handy digital tools. The Zelle for easy money transfer, Cash Flow Monitor, which helps you keep an eye on your credits and debits, and even provide cash flow projections and assistance for small business experts. Sound too good to be true? Well, this is real. And let's not forget the other product, the Business Advantage 360, which lets you handle bill payments, check your online statement transactions, and easily input all your activities into QuickBooks for great bookkeeping help. Plus, you can link up your accounts with third-party apps like TurboTax and Expensify to make your financial life even smoother. It is important you know this, however. Only a maximum of 500 check deposits per statement cycle is permitted. Then it costs 45 cents per item. The Business Advantage Relationship Banking is a very marvelous option for startups, especially those that are just starting out early in stage in their startup career. Great. Now let's move to number 4, the Capital One Enhanced Checking Account. Capital One Enhanced Checking is the best option out there for businesses with larger balances, more transactions. One of the biggest perks of choosing it is that you won't be charged any fees on the cash you deposit. When it comes to check deposits, you can simply use a remote scanner service, skipping the need to visit a physical Capital One branch. Additionally, you have the convenience of mobile banking, including the ability to deposit checks right from your smartphone. So now, what are the 2 best features of this bank account? High interest earning. Who doesn't love earning a little extra money? The Capital One Enhanced Checking Account offers competitive interest rates, helping your business funds grow even when they're parked in your checking account. It's like a mini savings account built into your everyday banking. Customized alerts. Get notified of all transactions with Capital One's customized alerts. You can set up notifications for various account activities, from large withdrawals to low balances, ensuring you're always in the know about your business finances. And doesn't stop there. Know what's even better? Incoming domestic wire transfers won't cost you anything. Although there's a $35 monthly service fee, the bank can waive it if your average balance over the last 30 or 90 days is $25,000 or more. And don't worry about digital transactions. They're unlimited and 0 fees. I know what you're thinking, who's eligible to form this account? Well, you're eligible to open this account if your monthly cash deposits are anything below $40,000. And here's an extra perk just for you. The enhanced account also lets you open up to 2 basic checking accounts without the burden of monthly service fees. One thing you'll have to be aware of though is the high minimum account balance requirement to waive the monthly fees. So overall, it is a great fit for startups. Do me a favor though, before we proceed to the top 3 on the list, if you can quickly hit that like or subscribe button you can see on the screen. This is so that you don't miss out any future update videos just as insightful as this one. Trust me, you don't want to miss them because they're going to be better and better than ever, and they're all designed to help you save money in your daily finance and business life or on your tax saving side. Great, subscribe yet? Thank you for this quick 10-second break. Let's move on. All right, at number 3, we have the Bluevine Business Checking. Bluevine Business Checking is a total game changer because there are absolutely no limits on your transactions. Plus, they're not into charging you for random stuff like monthly fees, minimum balances, or those pesky non-sufficient funds. Overdraft and ACH payments, they won't cost you a dime neither. But the icing on the cake, you can actually earn interest on your money. A cool 2% APY on balances up to $250,000 as long as you're meeting the monthly debit transaction with deposit requirement. Pretty fantastic, right? So what are the 2 best features of this bank account? No hidden fees. Say goodbye to surprise fees that eat away your profit. Bluevine Business Checking provides itself on transparency with no hidden fees, minimum account requirements, or monthly service charges. Your business keeps what it earns. And the other one, integrated banking and financing. Bluevine seamlessly combines checking and financing for your business. You can access lines of credit right from your checking account, ensuring you have the funds you need when opportunity arises. Speaking of cool features, do you like depositing checks from your phone? Yep, they got that covered. Do you want to sync your account with QuickBooks Online? Totally doable. Oh, and you can get even your team on board. Give your crew their own logins to their checking account so you don't have to share your password. Remember, Bluevine's all digital, so don't expect a physical branch. But here's the kicker. They got a whopping 38,000 MoneyPass ATMs across the country and use them for zip, zilch, nada. No transaction fees at all. Pretty amazing, right? Now, number 2, the Novo Business Checking Account. If you're looking to give your business a solid foundation and keep your personal and business finances separate, the Novo Business Checking Account is definitely one to consider. With Novo, you're getting an online business checking account that goes the extra mile. They're all about unlimited transactions and saying goodbye to those annoying ATM fees no matter where you are in the world. Plus, there's no pesky monthly fees and you don't even need to cough up a minimum deposit to get started. What are the 2 best features of this bank account? Easy online account opening. Novo makes life easier for busy entrepreneurs. You can open a business checking account entirely online, saving you the hassle of visiting a physical branch. It's a streamlined modern banking experience. And integration with business tools. Novo understands that your business relies on various tools and software. That's why they offer integration with popular business softwares like QuickBooks and Xero, making financial management a breeze. Now before you dive in, just keep in mind one thing. If your business tends to handle cash deposit often, Novo won't be your best buddy for that. Instead of the usual cash route, you'll need to grab a money order and slide it in through Novo's mobile app. It's a bit of a bummer if cash is your jam, but all those other perks might just make up for it. The only other con here are that, of course, it's online only, so it's not great if you prefer in-person banking, and there's no easy way to deposit cash. If you can get past that, Novo is an incredible option out there. And here we go. Drum roll, please. Our number 1 choice for banking is the Chase Business Complete Banking. And number 1, we have the most complete option on this list. Chase Business Complete Banking stands out as a fantastic choice for various businesses and startups out there, thanks to its impressive cash bonus, speedy card and check processing features, and extensive network of over 4,700 physical branches. When you decide to open a new Chase Business Complete checking account, you have the opportunity to earn $300 by completing certain qualifying activities. Now, what are the 2 best features of this number 1 bank account? 1, no monthly service fees. Imagine a business checking account with no monthly service fee of any type. That's right. One of the standout features of Chase Business Complete Banking is the absence of those pesky monthly charges. You can skip the $15 monthly service fee if you maintain a minimum daily balance of just $2,000, spend $2,000 or more each month using your Chase Inc. business card, or deposit a minimum of $2,000 in quick accept on a monthly basis. Additionally, you can waive the fee if you link a Chase private client checking account or provide proof of military status that meets the criteria. This is a breath of fresh air for small business owners who want to keep their costs low while enjoying a robust banking experience. Access to Chase Quick Accept. Chase know in that today's fast-paced business world, getting paid quickly is crucial. That's why they accept Chase Quick Accept, a feature that allows you to accept card payments from your customers with lightning speed. It's like having your own virtual cash register, making transaction a breeze. Chase Business Complete Banking brings you the advantage of also quick deposit too. With quick deposit, it offers several options for depositing checks, including snapping a picture of your check with the mobile app, or opting for a multi-feed scanner, which can scan up to 50 checks all at once. Apart from offering a maximum of only 20 free in-person paper check deposits, you're 100% good to go with Chase Business Complete Banking account. It's quite amazing how extensive the Chase network is, and they have an option for all types of business owners out there. Definitely worth a visit to the branch, or if you want to apply online. Now, some bonus content out there, and this is for if you're an international business owner out there looking for an alternative to traditional US bank account that you may not have access to. These are ones that are much more accessible to international business owners. So if that's you out there, I would definitely pay attention to this part. The two options out there that are great for international business owners who are working to work in the US are Wise and Mercury. Wise, what they offer is borderless accounts. They allow you to hold and manage multiple currencies in one place. This means you can receive money in USD, Euro, GBP, and many other currencies, just like having a local bank account in each of those regions. Low-cost international transfers. One of Wise standout features is its transparent and cost-effective international money transfer services. You'll get real exchange rates, which is a small upfront fee, making it far more affordable than traditional banks. Debit cards. Wise offer a debit card that's linked to your borderless account. You can spend monies in different currencies with low conversion fees, perfect for international travelers or those who do business globally. Easy online setup. Opening an account with Wise is a breeze. You can do it all online without the need for ever visiting a physical presence in the US, making it ideal for international clients who can't easily open a traditional US bank account because they're not physically located in the US. The other great option for international client is Mercury. Mercury offers digital first banking. It's an online bank that's designed for stars, entrepreneurs, and international businesses. It offers business checking account with no monthly fees, no minimum balances, and no hidden charges. And it has incredible integration with business tools. Mercury integrates seamlessly with various business tools, including accounting softwares like QuickBooks and Xero, which is a huge time saver for managing your finances. Virtual debit card is another great tool that Mercury offers. It can be used for online purchases and expenses. This makes managing your finances, making payment much more convenient for international clients. And plus, no social security number required. Unlike traditional banks, Mercury does not require a social security number to open an account, making it more accessible to international clients who might not have either citizenship or residency to qualify to get a social security number. Mercury also offers both domestic and international wire transfers, making it easy to send and receive funds globally. ACH payments are also available for seamless transactions within the US. And there you have it. If you watched this video up to this point, that means you must have gained some incredible great new bank account options. Please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. I do hope you make the best choice when it comes to the best checking account for your startup. Best of luck. I'll see you guys next time. But hey, 1 second. If you're ready to take control of your finances, look no further. Book a personalized call with me or any of our expert partners to elevate your tax saving and bookkeeping game to the next level. Don't let financial stress weigh you down. Let us guide you towards that financial freedom. Schedule your consultation now using the link below in the description. Your path to financial success starts here. Thanks so much for watching out there. Alan out.